Hey guys, today I'm going to review this very good plugin 404 page, your smart custom 404 error page. This one is used to change your default 404 error page to any page you want from your website. First we need to install it on our website, and while it installs I'm going to show you how our error page looks like right now. Also, my currently installed theme does not give me many options to customize the 404 page, so this solution will let me publish a beautiful error page. The plugin is installed and all we have to do right now is to activate it. Next step is to add a new page, name it, make it beautiful, not like mine, and publish it. Inside the Appearance menu in the WordPress dashboard you will find 404 error page plugin settings link. In the plugin settings you don't have to do anything in Advanced tab since its default settings are good. You just need to choose the page to be displayed as 404 page and you are done. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.